So welcome back, and once again thank you for your interest in EBPOM London 2020, our live event, which we've already sort of gone live. We've made our e-learning platform available to you. I know thousands of you have now been watching those pre-recorded long-form lectures. For anyone who's confused about what I'm saying, get onto our website, look at the instructions there. If you're registered for EBPOM Live from London 2020, you should have been sent a link to our e-learning platform. If you haven't, go into our various different inquiry points on the website and start to ask those questions, and we'll get those links to you. Now, for those of you who are getting excited for the start of the true live event, that starts on June the 30th at 9 o'clock in the morning. We'll be coming to you live from here. I'm standing in front of a green screen in our studios, our Top Med Talk studios in West London, surrounded by a magnificent film crew that's starting to get ready to broadcast our live event. They're building stages in the corner over here, ready for us to go true live. So when you join us at 9 o'clock, British summertime, so check your clocks around the world, a group of us will be coming to you to anchor our various different participants joining in from around the world, and that will continue for 72 hours non-stop. So the live event from London will go from 9 o'clock on June the 30th through to about 5. It will then rerun and rerun, so you can watch it in any time zone around the world, and then we'll go live again the following day. So we really look forward to you joining us for as much of that live event as possible, but if you can't watch live there and then, you can always catch up a little bit later.